We're inside Harbor Freight taking a full look at their Black Friday 2025 deals. These sales are already live in store and online, with early access for Inside Track Club members. Harbor Freight was closed on Thanksgiving Day, but Black Friday doors open at 7 a.m. In this video, I'm walking the store, showing actual tools on the shelves, and breaking down the Black Friday flyer so you can see what's worth buying and what you can pass on. Let's start with the Black Friday flyer, because this shows you where the biggest savings are. Everything in the flyer is instant savings. There are no rebates, and in most cases no extra coupons are required. The price listed is the price at checkout. Some deals are marked Inside Track Club only, which means members get early access and lower pricing. Other deals are available to everyone. You'll also see notes like while supplies last, quantity limits, and item exclusions. Those are important, especially for high-demand products. Now let's move into the power tool section, which is always one of the most crowded areas during Black Friday. Harbor Freight focuses mainly on Hercules, Bauer, and Warrior tools. Hercules is Harbor Freight's professional-grade lineup. These tools are built heavier, have stronger motors, and are designed for frequent use. You'll see drills, impact drivers, grinders, circular saws, reciprocating saws, combo kits. During Black Friday, Hercules tools are priced lower than usual, making them a strong alternative to more expensive pro brands. These are good options if you're working daily or want tools that will last long-term. Bauer tools are aimed at homeowners and serious DIY users. This section usually has combo toolkits, individual bare tools, batteries and chargers. Bauer tools offer a wide lineup, so once you buy into the platform, you have many tool options using the same battery system. Black Friday is one of the best times to start or expand a Bauer collection. Warrior tools are the most affordable line. These are designed for light-duty jobs, occasional use, backup tools. They aren't built for daily professional use, but they're budget-friendly and can be useful for quick projects. Now we're at the battery wall, and this is one section people often overlook. Batteries and chargers are discounted during Black Friday, and this is one of the best times of year to buy extras. More batteries mean less downtime, longer runtime, more productivity. If you already own Bauer or Hercules tools, buying batteries now saves money later. Moving on to hand tools, which is another strong area for Harbor Freight. This includes socket sets, ratchets, wrench sets, screwdriver kits, specialty hand tools. Many of these sets are packaged in storage cases, making them easy to organize and transport. These deals are good for home garages, work trucks, backup sets, or general maintenance. Tool storage is one of the most popular parts of Harbor Freight during Black Friday. You'll see U.S. general tool chests, rolling tool carts, cabinets, wall storage systems. U.S. general toolboxes are known for solid steel construction and smooth drawer slides. Popular sizes and colors tend to sell out early, especially larger boxes. Now let's move into the automotive section. Black Friday deals usually include floor jacks, jack stands, torque wrenches, creepers. Daytona jacks are especially popular and known for strong build quality at a lower price than competitor brands. This is a good time to upgrade garage equipment. Harbor Freight also includes air tools and compressors in their Black Friday deals. You'll find pancake compressors, larger shop compressors, impact wrenches, air ratchets, air hoses and fittings. These tools are useful for garages, workshops, and DIY projects. Smaller items are easy to skip, but they add up fast in savings. Discounted items include LED shop lights, magnetic work lights, extension cords, gloves, safety gear. These are practical add-ons while everything is on sale. Inside Track Club members get early access and lower pricing on select items. If you shop at Harbor Freight often, Black Friday alone can cover the cost of membership. Harbor Freight's Black Friday 2025 sale covers almost every department in the store. If you're upgrading tools, building a garage, or replacing old equipment, this is one of the best times of the year to shop here. If this video helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more in-store walkthroughs, tool deals, and Black Friday coverage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.